Hey, Star Trek fans, look what just arrived. Behold, the second shipment of the Fanhome Star Trek Starships die-cast collection. Huge thanks to Fanhome for sending this over. Last time we showcased the U.S.S. Titan A from Star Trek Picard. What incredible detail! This shipment features the U.S.S. Stargazer, NCC 82893. Oop, that's a mouthful. I don't actually remember if that matches the same Stargazer it's inspired by from Star Trek The Next Generation, but this is the Stargazer from Star Trek Picard. It comes with this beautifully detailed magazine packed with lore, ship specs, and behind-the-scenes info. And here it is, the U.S.S. Stargazer in all its glory. The craftsmanship on this die-cast model is stunning. From the intricate details to the sleek display stand. Check that out. Look at that. You got the saucer section, 4 nacelles. It maintains basically the same shape as the Constellation class Stargazer we saw in The Next Generation, but much more modern. Love or hate seasons 2 and 3 of Star Trek Picard, you have to admit, these new ship designs were pretty spectacular. Fanhome really outdid themselves with this one. I think it was great. Next week, I'll be showcasing the U.S.S. Farragut from Star Trek Strange New Worlds. Let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Star Trek content.